What do 4 cruise ships, 33,000 passengers, a passport-free Caribbean escape, and a car with no driver have in common? They're all making waves in today's travel news. Hello, crewmates. This is G Free, your cruise therapist, with your daily boarding call for Tuesday, June 30th. Carnival Celebration Key just made more room at the dock. A newly completed pier extension means the destination can now welcome up to 4 ships at once and more than 13,000 guests in a single day. That's a whole lot of suntan lotion, flip-flops, frozen drinks, and cruisers trying to remember where they left their beach chairs. And Celebration Key isn't the only Caribbean destination welcoming a boatload of visitors. Nassau just cruised straight into the record books. Nassau Cruise Port welcomed more than 33 passengers in one day, with 6 ships calling at the destination. That included the Oasis of the Seas, Allure of the Seas, the Mardi Gras, Carnival Celebration, Caribbean Princess, and Disney Fantasy. With that many cruises in town, downtown Nassau was definitely not on island time. Next, St. Thomas is seeing record growth from U.S. travelers. The island welcomed more than 98,000 arrivals during the first quarter of 2026. With beautiful beaches, easy island hopping, and no passport required for U.S. citizens, St. Thomas is proving that paradise can be closer than you think. Now let's shift gears. Although pretty soon, the car may be doing the shifting for you. Rental car companies are preparing for a future of driverless vehicles. Imagine landing at your airport, skipping the rental counter, and having your car come pick you up. When your trip is over, it could drive itself back. Now that's what I call a vacation that really knows how to steer you in the right direction. That's today's daily boarding call. Follow the Cruise Theory podcast, share this episode with your favorite travel buddy, and tell us, would you trust a driverless rental car on vacation? Until next time, stay calm, cruise on, and I'll see you on the next boarding call. Bye!